Hello students, welcome to today's math class. Today we will continue exercise 2.1 in Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. 4. If a point C lies between two points A and B such that AC is equal to BC, then prove that AC is equal to half AB. Prove that AC is equal to half AB. Explain by drawing a figure. So let us draw the figure for this. So what is given? C lies between two points A and B. So I will be drawing this a line, that is A, B. And where does C lies? In between AB. So this is a figure. And we have to prove here AC is equal to half AB. Now I am using axiom here. So what is given here? AC is equal to BC. Now what I will do? I will adding AC to both the sides. AC to both the sides. Now see what will happen now. If you add AC to both the sides, AC plus AC is equal to BC plus AC. Which is this axiom? Equals are added to equals. The wholes are equal. Right? Here AC plus AC. How many ACs are there? There are 2 AC. BC plus AC. BC plus AC will give you AB. Is it right? Yes. Now AC is equal to this 2 AC means 2 into AC. So this is in left hand side, LHS. Now I will bring this, that is transposing this to right hand side. So the multiplication sign becomes division. So what is this? What does it imply? AB by 2 means, is it half AB? Okay, so we can write it as half into AB. Now see, we have proved AC is equal to half AB. So it is proved. AC is equal to half AB. Hence it is proved. Question number 5. Now it is given that in question number 4, AC is equal to half of AB, that is midpoint of line segment AB. Now prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Now how to prove this? So let us take the line segment AB. Now I am taking the line segment AB. Now it is given here C is the midpoint. Now with the same measure I am taking the line segment AB. With the same measure, once again I am taking AB. Now I am saying here D is the midpoint. Now here I have taken C as midpoint. Here I have taken D as midpoint. So I will write the statement as AC is equal to half of AB. Similarly, can I write AD is equal to half of AB? Is it possible? See children, here both are possible because D is also a midpoint, C is also a midpoint. Now considering the left hand side and right hand side, now see here AC is equal to half AB, AD is equal to half AB. What is the first axiom says? Things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. So I will write here AC is equal to AD. Can I write like this? So which axiom I have used here? Axiom 1. Right? So AC is equal to AD. When it is possible AC is equal to AD? Only when C and D coincide. That means C and D both are same. So can we have more than one midpoint in any line segment? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. So now I am saying that C and D coincide. So therefore every line segment has one and only midpoint. Is it clear, children? Yes. If AC is equal to BD, then prove that AB is equal to CD. So what is given here? A line segment, that is AC is equal to BD. So I will show here AC is equal to BD. Now what you have to prove here? AB is equal to CD. You have to prove this, that is AB is equal to CD. So how to prove this? Let us see. Now I am writing here AC is equal to BD. Now how can we write AC? Now AB plus BC, is it equal to AC? Similarly BD also AB plus BC. Now BD I can write it as BC plus CD. Is it right? Yes, no? Now I am using here Euclid's axiom. Which axioms can be used here? That is, now something is common here. What is common? BC is common. So I will remove that. Equals are subtracted from equals. The remainders are equal. So I am applying this. That is minus BC is equal to BC CD minus BC. Now BC plus and minus cancels. BC cancels. What are the reminders here? That is AB. Here it is equal to CD. Now see this. Whether we have proved this, AB is equal to CD. So by using axiom 3, we have proved here AB is equal to CD. Take down this home assignment. If A, B and C are 3 points on a line and B lies between A and C, prove that AB plus BC is equal to AC. So next week you will be having FA1 test. So Euclid's geometry notes can be submitted after FA1. So all the best for your FA1. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.